look a lot better with them on there. Look at that. GT. Still shocked by how small the inside is on this one. That's crazy. Yeah. But okay. Whatever works. So on this 2019 Ford Mustang GT 5.0, let me show you guys what we've done on it. It's got factory converter. Then we put an H-pipe earlier in the year, right there. And then 2.5-inch continues. And then he brought it back and we put 2 axle back BORLA S-type mufflers with the valves that I showed you guys earlier in the video. There and there, there's the S-type mufflers. I always recommend you guys tack them. Even though they're clamped on, always tack them because we see them all the time where they come off, even with them being clamped on. So you always want to tack them if you can, if you have the capabilities to. But here's the inside of those mufflers. If you guys ever wonder what they look like on the inside, right there, there's the valve on one side and then the resonated part on the other side. So when the valve closes, it goes through this chamber and that chamber before coming back out, which is insane. Which gives that distinctive BORLA sound to it too. A lot of technology built into it. But there it is. Looks a lot better, a lot nicer. There's the stock 2 mufflers that were on it right there and right there with the valves that we took off. So he didn't lose the valve system. He still has it and he's able to open it and close it when he wants. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. And it's a 6-speed manual, guys, which is even better. That's when the valves open. And it screams. The valves are not all the way open either. Put it in track mode. Now they're open all the way. Go ahead. That's in track mode, guys. Here's track mode sound decibels. Go ahead. 118. 120. Close them. So now they're closed. They don't close all the way. Huh. So it's still breathing. It does make a huge difference though. Here we go. So right at 112, it dropped at 8 decibels. He needs sound, not just whine. Yeah, he needs more sounds. This is regular. Let's see if they close. No, they're still high. How do you put it in? Put it in comfort. Put it in comfort mode. So he's gonna put it in comfort mode now. Let's see if they close all the way. Yeah, there we go. This is comfort mode. Now they're closed all the way. Yeah, it sounds like a stock Mustang. Yeah, it's a lot quieter. Open them. This is track mode. Regular sport mode. Still in track mode. Click it in sport. Or regular comfort mode. Or the mid, what was it? Drive mode, I guess.
What do you want?
It's not that simple.
What do you want?
The sound differences between the 3 guys. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Ford Mustang GT50 with H-pipe and BORLA S-type mufflers, axle back. This is in the track mode. We got you the 360 camera on it, so stay tuned for that video of it too, guys. That's in normal mode. I looked at the valves, they were closed. Just opened it to track mode, guys. This is track mode now. See, the valves are open in there. Big difference. Then we got this beast he wants to true duel. Because why not? We're always Here he comes. Track mode initiated. It sounds so good, guys. BORLA never disappoints, guys. It sounds so good. Wow. Get one last pull. We took the 360 camera off. Just let him ride into the sunset. It sounds phenomenal. Wow. I like it. See you.